Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at the laws of logarithm. Law number one, if you have a, you represent it to be a power 1. In a logarithm, this is in index form. In a logarithm, it will be log a power a, which is equals to 1. Then law number two, 1 is equal to a power 0. Any number to the power 0, it's 1. So let's represent it in a logarithm. We are going to have log a power 1, which is equals to 0. Law number 3, if you have log a power m power p, then we are going to represent it to be, we are going to drop this p. It will be in the first form, which is p log a m. Then law number 4, if you have log a power mn, this means that you are going to, this is a multiplication. Remember that in index form, where you are given a power 2 multiplied by a power 3, then we have, the bases are same, we are going just to add the powers, then the answer will be a power 2 plus 3, which is equals to a power 5. So we are going to use the same concept. Then here it will be log a power m plus log a power n. Law number 6, if you are given log a power m, so if you want to change the bases, you are going to represent it in this way. It will be log a power m over log b power a. When you want to change the bases, you use this law. So now let's try to work out with the example 1. If you are given a question, given that log 2 to the power x is equal to a, express log 2 open brackets 16 square root x close in the form of a. So solution, log 2, then 16 square root x. Then remember, this one is in multiplication, so we have to use that other law of multiplication. And this way it will be log 2 power 16 plus log 2 power root x. Then here let's simplify it. Let's reduce 16 into the same basis with the same basis like 2. Then it will be log 2 power 2 to the power 4, because when the fourth roots of 2, it's 16. Then here plus log 2 square root. Let's present it in the other way. The square root, we all know that it will be x power half. X power half. So now let's drop this 4. We are using that other law or in this or logarithm. Then it will be 4 log 2 power 2 plus, we are going also to drop this half. It will be half log 2 power x, which is log 2 power 2, it is 1. So it will be 4 plus, we all know that half. In the equation, they are saying that log 2 power x is equal to a. So log 2 power x is equal to a. So it will be a. That's the answer.